Local government is the oldest form of governance in Jamaica. It is the closest to the people and supports true participation. Our communities and parishes direct their affairs. We are on a mission with a vision, covenanting with the people, build effective local governance as the foundation for good governance in Jamaica.
Revitalizing governance at the local level is one of the major priorities for the government. As part of those efforts, plans to entrench local government in the Constitution are being fast-tracked.
The Ministry of Justice has issued drafting instructions to the Chief Parliamentary Council, and we await the draft bill.
Parish councils at the same time will need to demonstrate accountability and transparency in the management of their affairs. Citizens and by extension communities have to play their role in ensuring that parish councils remain active. Through parish development committees supported by the work of the Social Development Commission (SDC), communities continue to improve their quality of life. In the 2011-2012 period, $275 million was accessed through the SDC to develop small projects.
Over the next 3 years, the Social Development Commission will build on these successes by maintaining a positive approach to development where citizens have the right to enjoy a good quality of life.
A capacity development grant facility will come on stream in November 2012 to provide financial and technical support to communities. A community small projects grant will also be established to provide financial support for suitable projects. 200 communities should also benefit from funding support in different sectors, including education, environmental awareness, healthy lifestyle and good practices, and economic development. The institutions under the local government and community development ministry will also be strengthened. Efforts will be made to equip firefighters with the necessary tools for them to carry out their duties, while the Board of Supervision will continue to oversee those organizations responsible for the care and protection of the less fortunate. Work will also continue on refurbishing the National Heroes Park.
We are moving aggressively to ensure the promulgation of the National Disaster Risk Management Bill to ensure public safety and welfare, minimizing damage due to natural or man-made hazards, and promote sustainable development.
This will also include the establishment of no-build zones so that building on the banks of gullies, waterways and rivers will be prohibited. The local government ministry is also promoting energy efficiency. Over 5,000 street lights and 4 local authorities will be retrofitted with solar-led lighting, and councils will get the financial support they need to effect energy efficiency measures. On the issue of property taxes, the government intends to collect approximately $2.7 billion.
The ministry will collaboratively work to improve the compliance rate from the current 51% to a more acceptable level of 65% or better.
To make this a reality, the government will be embarking on a public relations program. The legislative framework to improve compliance will be strengthened, more persons will be taken before the courts, and local authorities will embark on house-to-house calls to ensure that citizens pay their property taxes.
Local governance is one of the main catalysts to take Jamaica forward. I encourage us all to become part of the process as citizens and clients and customers, as change agents, as local representatives, as advocates for good governance and sustainable growth and nation building. It is time for transformation and change.